Welcome to qnawire.
So this question first asks us to identify the unit cell. The unit cell is the one that actually repeat of the atom, and so you can see that if we go from here to here to here to here, and that is the unit cell because repeatable of this unit will give you the network that we have over here. And so in this case, for example, it can be this one, because repeatable of this unit will give us the crystal network. So question B asks us what is the angle between the two lattice vector. In this case will be 90, as you can see, and in this case this one is 120 degree. And then it asks us what is the relationship between A and B. So in this case A is equal to B, in this case A also equal to B. So you can see that it's A, for example, this A, this is B. A is 2 times the diameter of the circle, and B is also 2 times the diameters. And they also ask us what is the name of the lattice. So this one is a square lattice, and this one is the hexagonal one.